Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to see what all topics you need to prepare if you want to learn data science with Python, and what all topics you need to learn and how you can prepare it. So we are going to discuss a step-by-step procedure to learn Python for data science. Okay, so let's go with the step first. Okay, so our step 1 is learn the basics of Python programming. Okay, and here you have variables, data types, conditional statements, loops, modules, functions, and oops. Okay, oops concepts are very important. Okay, so these were the basics of Python programming that you should learn first. Okay, when you are prepared with these topics, after that you need to learn, in our second step, you need to learn about the Python libraries and tools that are specifically designed for data science. Okay, for example, Python libraries like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, sklearn, these kind of libraries were used in data analysis and machine learning. Okay, which is a part of data science. Okay, so after preparing your programming, basics of programming, you need to learn some Python libraries which we use for data science. Okay, after preparing this, you need to continue practicing Python programming. Okay, solve questions. There were many questions available on internet. You can go and just do the questions, do the practice, make your logics. Okay, for that you need to learn some concepts of data structure. Okay, in my placement roadmap video, I already explained that data structure is important for logic building. Okay, it build a logic building capability on your mind. Okay, so for practicing, data structure is very important. Okay, and at last step, you need to find some data science projects to work on. This is the best way to practice your Python skills. Okay, and learn how to apply Python to real world data science problems. And you can find data science project on the websites like Kaggle, GitHub, and there are many more websites where you can find projects related to data science. So it is very important to do projects to show your skills. Okay, all for this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.